Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solutions for Jira Marketplace, and as we know, that is the best OAuth and OIDC SSO solution available in the market. So, in this video, we are going to set up Jira Single Sign-on with GitHub using OAuth protocol. Let's get started with the setup. Go to the Jira dashboard, and click on the setting icon on the top right corner and select Manage Apps option. You can search here for add-ons in Atlassian Marketplace. Go to the Search tab and type OAuth SSO and press Enter. To download the plugin, click on Free Trial. Click on Accept and Install to agree with miniOrange policy and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. And after activation of the license key, click on miniOrange OAuth Client. Now you are on Configure OAuth tab. We will be covering GitHub setup here. You can also go through the setup on this guide. Here you will get step-by-step instructions. So, firstly we are configuring GitHub as OAuth provider. Go to GitHub login page and log in with your GitHub credentials. From the top right corner, navigate to the settings. Select Developer Settings from the left menu. Now select OAuth Apps. And then click on Register a new application. Enter your application name. Enter your plugin's base URL as homepage URL. You will find the application callback URL in the plugin, which is used to tell the OAuth provider where to send the token after authentication. Copy it and paste it in the given field. Click on Register Application. You will find Client ID here. Click on Generate a new client secret button to get a client secret. Now let's set up Jira as an OAuth client. Go to Configure OAuth tab. As earlier, we have selected GitHub as an application. Copy the client ID from the GitHub application and paste it in the client ID in the plugin. Copy a new client secret that was generated and paste it in the client secret in the plugin. Enter the scope as user, to grant read-write access to profile information only. Logout endpoint is optional. Click on Save. Now you can see successful OAuth settings updated message. To test your configurations, click on Test button, and you can see successful test configuration here, along with the username, email ID, and name. If the email attribute is returned as null in the test configuration window, then go to the GitHub profile and select Settings. Go to the Emails tab from the left menu. Scroll down and uncheck the Keep My Email Addresses Private checkbox. Now go to the Profile tab from the left menu. Set the public email. Scroll down and click on Update Profile button. After successful test connection, you will get to see the SSO button on the Jira login page now. Click on the Use OAuth login button, and you will be redirected to GitHub for OAuth authentication. Now enter your GitHub credentials in. Press the Sign In button, and you will be successfully logged into Jira using GitHub credentials. Go to the user profile to check the user data, and you can see the user's email ID here. miniOrange provides best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.